Treasure, man.
Welcome back, everybody, to the trendy dancehall. As a pray, so today I'm back with the next report on dancehall artist known as Intence. As a pray, so him reportedly meeting an accident which them right, and later today, yes, and big man thing. Me I tell you say, me have to picture them on the clippings of what go on. As a pray, so. I did explain what going on in our video before this, guys, and big man thing. People are say some voodoo shits with him name Foota on one bag of drama, you see me? But big man thing, them better know what they must say in the media and think I don't look good, you see me? So, yeah, dog. So, big man thing, them love talk fat and thing, but see the artists are right now in the hospital. You see me right now, the dog there on the bed, as you can see with one of them neck guard there on him neck. So but we're not sure if him neck broke or none of them something there, you see me. But the greatest thing was he said the dog a holy man on him head, so we know say him govern. You see it, peeps. So the artist crashed at Hope Road, basically that's in Kingston today, you see me. And me's a person, as I say, like in every video, I'm not gonna wish bad for nobody. Cause if I not wish bad for some person, why would I want to wish bad for some other people, you see me? Even though no people stay overall, you see me? But I just say then again, you see me? Because them are our entertainers same way. You can't think for yourself. If you know say other people listen to man music same way, and then if you know say so you go. And a good artist is it. So prayers go for the man people. Anybody else who want to send a one prayer, just send a one prayer, you know the style. You see me? And then you don't know how to go hard boss, you see, pray.
What make you think we got sad? Nah, no breaks, no care.
Yeah, man, people, so, be a thing I go on for 2020, as you can see, you see me? The amount of thing happen, me I tell you, it's just so weird, yo. Look there. Shenzi and mother dead. We have just put that on the minority list, but he's still a human and a public figure, same way. You see me? Who else? Being a man mother. You see me? Watch it. Ranking King. Right now, we don't even know when I hear from them man if a good while. Prayers go out for every one of our artists and the role model them where set it and know say here ago and they can do this and they can do that. You see, pray. Who else me miss out? Comment down below and tell me who else me miss out, because be a thing I go on. The realest way, guys, you see me? Yeah, man. Watch him, man. So, Intence right now in the hospital. Hopefully, him recover soon. You see me? Because you know our style going, the type of message that we have alone, make we know, say, yo, here we go. We design a different type of way, you see me? In a good way, you see me? Yeah, man, people. So, with that said, I just want to know, say, you don't know where tomorrow might bring, so you can't wish bad for the next person, you see me, etc, etc, you see me. So prayers go out, like I said before, and think people, and every day we come upon me that we say be a drama and shit, you see me, bigger man thing. So you never know, it can be one of your favorite artists or whatsoever, so you can't wish bad on people, you get me? So take the time out also for big up all of my loyal subscribers and my fans, them tune in all the time, you see me? Because I really appreciate when you see me, big man thing, you see me? So yeah, man. So what we are going to do now, we are going to close the video because the dog just crashed and we don't know what the realest way. So we don't want to put down the bird upon the dog. So please consider and subscribe, like, to share.